This is Ignacio. It's February 8th, 2016. Ignacio is 2.5 years old. He will turn 3 in May. Okay, ready?
Bye.
Here's some letters. Okay, ready? Let's try this word right here.
C.
Whoops. What word is that?
The cat.
Cat. Meow. Very good. Okay. And what's this one?
Bat.
Sat. Nice. Okay. How about this one?
B. Bat.
Bat. Nice. Do you know this one?
Dad.
Sat. Yes. These are the only letter magnets I could find, or I would have more. But he's got about 20 words he can read. Seriously. 2-year-olds can if you practice with them. We use flashcards in the truck, and when we stop at red lights, we show him flashcards and practice with whatever little letters we've got. Anytime we're waiting in line or whatever, we point it out. Easy peasy. And he loves it. He gets so much attention for it. Bye.